was awesome.
Big.
Oh, it's looking at you. Look. Michael. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. Did you see he was kissing you? What? Are you okay? Did you get scared a little bit? No? Okay.
Who's got the pump? We're gonna stay here for a long time.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's a fish at the bottom. Do you see the fish at the bottom?
Yeah. I just see leftovers.